everyone. It is truly a pleasure to be with you today. Joining me is Anthony Smith, the Vice President of Project Management at Prudential Individual Life Insurance. Anthony, thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure and an honor to be here.
Thank you. The D-Free and Prudential partnership began 10 years ago. And for those who don't know about it, do you mind describing what it is?
Sure. In a nutshell, the partnership is a D-Free and Prudential have partnered to deliver financial wellness education to the members of D-Free and non-members. It's been a fantastic partnership over these 10 years, and it has grown tremendously. And I'm really excited to be here to talk about that growth.
How have you seen this partnership impact the lives of African Americans over the past 10 years?
Well, let's start with the fact that Prudential has a wealth of services and tools to offer to the community. And when you see the influence that Dr. Soares in the D-Free program has on the Black community, being able to leverage the tools and services that we offer and get folks to take action really speaks to the impact that this partnership has had on the Black community. For instance, if you look at the engagement numbers, and when I think about those engagement numbers compared to other engagement numbers with other programs that I've seen, we're really starting to see people really get some traction in it as far as taking action with their financial security. And when you think about what the goal is for D-Free and both the mission for Prudential to ensure that all Americans have the opportunity to achieve financial security, we're really seeing that happen with this partnership. So we're seeing it happen. We're looking at it continuing to move forward and really exciting about not only the past 10 years, but where these next 10 years are going to take us.
I love that. And one of the tools that we're currently employing is the Pathways webinars, and you really were a champion behind this. Do you mind describing what it is for those who don't know about it?
Sure. So Prudential Pathways is a series of 30 minutes to 1 hour financial wellness topics, ranging from everything from starting a bank account to taxes to estate planning to retirement. And, it's delivered by a financial professional and delivered in a non-solicitous manner. So the individuals don't feel like someone's pushing anything on them. However, they do have the opportunity to work with a financial advisor if they want to. So you kind of get the best of both worlds. It's that small, it's those small steps of first gaining that confidence and gaining that trust in a financial advisor and getting the tools that you need. And once you get those tools, you can take them and do what you want with them, or you can continue to work with a financial advisor to begin taking action and planning on your own. Planning for yourself, shall I say.
You mentioned in the beginning a little bit about the topics, and for people who are listening to this, I want them all to know that the topics within the Pathways webinars, they're all really wonderful. How did you decide which topics to include in the webinars?
So it's interesting. So we started off with the questions that are most asked by Prudential customers to our financial advisors, right? And we also knew that we had to not only start with those questions, but start at the beginning. And we wanted to make sure that we were meeting people where they are. So we were very intentional as far as making sure we started from the beginnings, the very beginnings, because everyone, while we do this work on a daily basis, everyone does it, right? So we didn't want to make any assumptions. We wanted to start with, everything from banking, as I said, creating a checking account, creating a budget, and then going all the way to estate planning. We know that particularly that there's no, when you think about this work that we do, no one has all the answers. So we wanted to make sure, and there are a number of questions, we wanted to make sure we had seminars that can answer all the questions that are out there. However, what we also recognize is that things change and times change. And what we've all gone through is the COVID this last year and a half. And COVID created another set of barriers and challenges to individuals. So we had to make sure that we were keeping up with the times. So we're continuing to refresh our content so that it's keeping up the time. So we were able to, to deliver information around COVID and how to really, get past some of the challenges that COVID had presented. And as we move forward, we're thinking as far as, as you think about the growth and diversity in our society, making sure that we're able to be more culturally relevant as well. So while we started off with some topics that we believe were important, we continue to keep our, our ear to the ground and making sure that we understand what those needs are so that we can continue to refresh and build on our content to meet the needs of our customers.
I love that. Really, the Prudential Pathways webinars are absolutely wonderful. So for someone who's watching and say they haven't watched one of the webinars, what would you say to them?
I start by saying first try one. They're, as I said, non-solicited. They are not in any way do you have to feel like you have to have all the answers. I'll tell you, every time I go to one, and I can go to the same one a couple times, and I always learn something new. And what it also does, it keeps my finances top of mind, right? So during the day, we have our families, we have our jobs, we have so little time to think about our finances. So it's like the gym. While we know it's important, or it's like being in good health. While we know it's important, it sometimes falls off of our radar. So what these seminars do for me and do for so many others is not only educate and answer some of the questions that they have, but it also keeps it top of mind. So oftentimes you'll go and you'll say, hey, I'm going to do something, and then you'll forget. You go back to a seminar, it's that constant reminder. You need that coach, shall I say, to help you actually get in shape, get you on your way. And that's why I think it's so important for individuals to go to try a seminar, and particularly the seminars that are offered through the D-Free program. And we'll talk a little bit more about that as well.
Yes. So if anyone's watching and you're saying, I want to attend one of these webinars, well, I wanted to let you know, it takes place the last Wednesday of every month. We call it our Ask the Expert series. So if you want more information about it, or if you want to register, just go on over to dfree.com. Again, that's dfree.com. Okay, so Anthony, as we've been mentioning, the D-Free and Prudential partnership, it's been around for 10 years, and Prudential has engaged in several of events with thousands of D-Free members. How has Prudential's engagement impacted the lives of the attendees?
What's wonderful is we're seeing that people, and then as you mentioned, for thousands of lives, we're seeing people take action, right? And I mentioned how the Pathways seminar is particularly unique when Dr. Sori is actually, is a partner in delivering them, because Dr. Sori has a way of asking those questions that individuals have but may not want to ask, because he understands the issues and the challenges that are out there. And we're able to deliver or answer those questions in the way that help people feel a little bit more comfortable. And so when I think about how it's impacted, we're seeing the results in the engagement already. We're seeing, individuals get out of debt, as you know, right? And debt is not only for those, so there's also often that misunderstanding of who's in debt, right? Debt starts with folks that aren't, as wealthy, that don't have as much money, or we can even say college students, all the way to folks that are, pretty established. So being able to get out of debt and start to think about what do I do once I get out of debt is important. And we've seen from the engagement numbers, we're seeing, individuals, as I mentioned earlier, getting out of debt. We're seeing people taking advantage of some of the programs that we're going to talk about later on. We're seeing individuals taking action with our financial advisors and actually buying life insurance so that they can start to create that legacy that's so important. As you mentioned earlier, D-Free's goal is to help to close that racial wealth gap. And it starts with us, starting to build those legacies and buying the amount of insurance so that we can pass on enough so that we can start to build those legacies. So we're seeing people not only change their behaviors as far as how they're thinking about their finances, but actually taking action that's going to really impact their finances.
And I think one of the beautiful things about this partnership is that whether you're talking to someone from D-Free or whether you're talking to someone from Prudential, they can really speak to individuals right where they are, no matter where they are. And they make the information so relatable that you're able to take it, ingest it, and then see how you can apply it to your life. It's really, really beautiful.
And that's the important part of it, right? We're not just here to talk, right? We're here to actually get people to actually take action. It's just like the D-Free mission. Prudential has that same mission. And we're really speaking, at this point, really thinking of how we can have a stronger impact in the Black community. And it started with, the partnership we have with D-Free. So it's really important for individuals to start to take action, and we're seeing that happen. So we're really excited about this partnership. As I said, 10 years and growing. And so really excited about what's going to happen in the future.
Absolutely. And Prudential's financial wellness program also connects individuals with representatives from GreenPath as well as Vault. Do you mind describing a little bit about both of these organizations?
Sure. And as you mentioned, we want to meet people where they are, shall I say, I'm sorry. And we recognize that Prudential doesn't have all of the tools. We have a number of tools and services that we can offer, but we don't have everything. But we want to make sure that we're meeting individuals where they need to be met. So we've partnered with some great partners such as GreenPath, which is a debt and credit counseling services organization who does a great job of helping individuals get out of debt, as well as get manage their credit card debt and get out of that credit card debt. They also offer home counseling services. We understand that, particularly through COVID, where individuals, some have lost their jobs, there's a need to help with keeping your home. And so there's also that education around home counseling. And so while Prudential doesn't offer those services, Prudential has a partner in GreenPath to complement what we offer around our financial education with Pathways. We also have student loan assistance, which is our partnership with Volt. And we know the impact that student loans have on the Black community. In fact, when you think of the numbers, I believe it's like 7,000 with our white counterparts coming out of college, whereas 150,000 are Black students coming out of college when it comes to debt. So being able to partner with a partner like Vault to help individuals get out of their student loan debt, and there are a number of ways that they can do so that will allow them to start to build on their financial security, purchase that life insurance, leaving that legacy, helping them with establishing shall I say, a path for retirement is really important to us. But we know it starts with meeting the individuals where they are. And so it's really important for us to surround ourselves with or partner with those different organizations that can help us really bring in everything, or bring to our customers and members of DFRE everything that we believe is needed to get the individual from where they're starting to where they want to go.
I love that, because Dr. Stories always says individuals, the more they can free up from debt, then they have more money to build towards wealth. So both of those partnerships are really, really meaningful. So in addition to the partnerships and the Pathways webinars, what other Prudential resources or services have you seen really change the lives of people connected to DFRE?
Yeah, and when I think about this, I'll connect it to the Pathways seminar. So I mentioned the Pathways seminars as the education piece, and through the Pathways seminars, it's delivered by a financial advisor. And so what we're seeing is individuals actually, moving from just the education to working with those Pathways advisors, so that they can start to plan and create financial, a financial shall I say, portfolio for themselves, so that they can start to, build their financial security. And then going back to what we were just speaking to, the other services such as Vault student loan assistance by Vault and GreenPath. So there's a couple of things that we are able to offer in addition to just the Pathways program. And then sky's the limit. There's more to come. Right. So when we think about it, Prudential's growing and thinking about how we can better serve the communities, particularly the Black community, when we talk about we're our partnership with Dr. Stories, but not just the Black community, but really thinking about how we, as these challenges surface, what are the tools that are needed to help to meet those challenges? So we're seeing, initial traction, we're seeing momentum, and we're seeing growth from our side as far as learnings and understanding of what are those additional needs that we can actually address, and how we would address those needs. So really excited about what we're doing now and what we'll be doing as we continue to work together.
Me too. Okay, I have one more question for you. So how does this partnership help Prudential reach its social impact goals and really come one step closer to closing the wealth gap?
Yeah, so Prudential has made publicly, commitment to addressing racial equity, and this particularly really hits home. We're currently really looking at how we can better serve the Black community. We understand that the Black community is not monolithic, but we also understand that it's important in the Black community to do important for individuals in the Black community to see Prudential serving the community in ways of not only from a philanthropic perspective, but also helping individuals close that racial wealth gap, right? So as we continue to do this work, it's not only it's not a business. It's not only from a business perspective. Like when you think about, we're talking about D-Free and Prudential. These are two. There's a nonprofit and a business. The goal is really to have an impact on the communities that we serve. And so when you think about this, is truly helping to whether we're closing the racial wealth gap, or well, I say, while we're closing the racial wealth gap, that comes in a number of ways, right? Whether it's helping individuals understand what opportunities that are out there for employment, whether it's helping individuals understand, the tools or be more aware of the opportunities that exist to, meet their financial goals, whether it's helping individuals get out of debt. All of those things we believe are social, have a social impact. And so this partnership really helps to address those social issues that we believe are important to be addressed.
Well, I love it because it's so beautiful to hear the testimonies of individuals who have been impacted by this partnership. I just love hearing everyone's success story about how, maybe they were in debt or maybe they were struggling with student loans and they've been able to really, come out on the other side and to build wealth for their families. It's so beautiful to see the impact one person at a time and really one family at a time.
I agree. And that's why I really enjoy working, with D-Free, because we know that the Black community wants these services. We know that we've not always had access to the services. Awareness is one of the most important pieces of it. So when you think about it, oftentimes you're blaming the victim. We're making sure that we're providing folks with the opportunity to get themselves out of those situations by making sure that they're aware of what those tools are to get them out of there. And that wasn't always the case, right? We know that individuals oftentimes fingers are being pointed towards individuals as if it's their fault. And we recognize that, no, we need to do a better job of making sure individuals are aware. And through the D-Free program and the way that Dr. Soaries in the program touches people, we really see this as an opportunity to really have that social impact by bringing the tools, services, capabilities that we have to individuals in a way that's authentic through a partnership that they trust.
And I'm so glad you mentioned that, because one thing I want to share is that coming up in October, we are going to have the 10th anniversary celebration of the D-Free and Prudential partnership. And the event is centered around this theme that we keep talking about, closing the wealth gap. So it's going to be a 5-week series, a virtual series that will take place in the month of October. Every Saturday from 10 to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, people can log on for free to get access to all of these tools. So it will examine the wealth gap and where we stand today. It will also look into strategies and tips that will help people to avoid debt, to get out of debt for those who are feeling, like they're stuck and trapped by the debt that they're in. And then it will also give people information about how to build wealth. And then in addition to all of that, as you mentioned, those wonderful Pathways webinars, those will be available for individuals to have access to, as well as online, so throughout this entire time. And then it will culminate with FinFest, which is coming up in November. So I am really excited about all of the information that will be available for everyone.
I'm extremely excited as well. And I hope that individuals take advantage, please take advantage of it. I have my own story, right? And I know how important it is. When I started with Prudential, there was a lot that I didn't know. And in fact, it had a huge impact on where I was earlier and where I've come from that point. And so I really encourage folks to attend. I've joined a number of Dr. Soaries at the D-Free events, and each time I learn something new. Doesn't matter where you are in your life, you're always going to learn something new. And then, as I mentioned before, having that person to really push you to take action is so important. So that reminder, we want Prudential and D-Free and Dr. Soaries, we want to make sure that our community keeps finances top of mind, right? So you're thinking about it, right? So because every time you're not thinking about it, your dollar is losing, right? So we want to make sure that your dollar continues to grow. As some people say, we want our money to grow while we sleep. And these events will help individuals with the tools, get that education that they need so that they can put their money in places so that it can grow as they sleep.
I love that. Thank you, Anthony. Yes, because I think we are all going to be able to share that testimony. This is where I was before the D-Free Prudential partnership, and this is where I
Exactly.
am years later.
Yes, we all have our own testimony, right? And it's going to be so great to hear those testimonies. So again, as I said, so happy to be partners for the last 10 years. So encouraged to continue and so excited to continue this partnership and really looking towards the D-Free 10th year. So really excited about it.
Thank you very much, Anthony. I so appreciate your time today. Thank you very much.
Brittany, thank you. And again, I said, as I mentioned earlier, it has truly been an honor.
You really can't imagine how valuable Prudential has been to the D-Free movement. We'll be celebrating, starting next month, our 10th anniversary of partnership with Prudential. And so Anthony is speaking for a portion of what we've done. And between now and the end of October, you'll be hearing much more about the Prudential D-Free relationship. We're launching a series together called Disrupting the Wealth Gap. And I just add a little tagline, one family at a time. So again, if you are a big corporation, I invite you to consider a mutually beneficial relationship where it's good for business to have a diverse reach into diverse communities, have diverse opinions that create measurable financial outcomes. Thank you so much, Prudential, and the best is yet to come.